Zach, and I have a little fishy story that I want to show you. On Christmas Eve, NASA has released the footage that they've been observing a comet that will pass by Earth, and they call this footage here. I'll show this for yourself. Radar images of a Christmas Eve asteroid, an early gift for astronomers. As if people want to be scared shitless that an asteroid might hit Earth. But what I came across is this other footage that came out on December 28th, which was 3 days after NASA has released this footage, and this is from RT. From what they are saying, that there is two comets coming our way still, and what it seems like is that NASA is just trying to make us feel okay with an asteroid passing by Earth, and I don't think we should be fine with that. And I don't think they should just release photos and tell us that there's gonna be a comet that's gonna pass by us within a few hours. And what are we gonna do then? So what I have here is the footage. I'm gonna show you proof. The first one was it's the NASA government website, which I cannot make this up. You can look it up yourself if you want. This image, quite frankly, looks a lot similar to what RT showed, and I'm gonna show you how they resemble. Just give me one moment. Let me pull them up. Alright, so this is a picture of that comet, right? And then this is the orbit of that comet. As they say, this was how close it would get to Earth. Saying this is the comet, this is Earth, and it would pass by. It would just nearly miss it, they say, or it might collide. I don't know what kind of thing that is to tell the public. But anyway, this was one of their featured images, and this was the images on only one comet that they've been observing, showing each date on how they're orbiting throughout space. And then there goes another photo, and then they show us where the asteroid is at the moment. This was on December 24th. And then this is the main image, right? Oh, sorry. Okay, so basically this was the main image of the NASA's thumbnail picture, and what you see here is what? It's two comets. It's kind of subliminal, but you see the relation to it once I show you this image. And they're gonna show you almost similar things, and RT is a little
Two
more.
giant asteroids are coming our way right now, speeding through space at 43,000 miles an hour, and one of them is about 2.5 miles wide. It's believed to be the asteroid responsible for the first ever recorded meteorite crash that almost killed a woman 60 years ago. So to talk more about this, I'm being joined now by legal and media analyst Lionel. Lionel, my friend, for this segment, though, I'm going to call you my meteor analyst. So, all right.
And the topics get meatier and meatier.
well, let's keep our space talk from last week going.
Yeah, yes.
We seldom
From an escapade of times. Think about it.
Same thing. This is coming from NASA, by the way, the footage. Same picture. Also, two monster asteroids heading towards Earth. Not one, but two.
Where all of a sudden, these weird jurisdictional differences between us.
And also, I just realized, if you take a look at the orbital, what is this orbit? Here, check this out. This orbit you're gonna see right now, it looks similar to the orbit of Nibiru. We're gonna see it right now. I just caught on to it right here. See what this orbit is right here? Doesn't look quite similar to the orbit of Planet X Nibiru, aka Nemesis, Elenin Comet, whatever it is you want to call it. So, as NASA has stated that it has already passed us, but now RT News is saying there are two of them, which they are using the same source, the same images that were provided by NASA, giving us a gift of an asteroid, images of an asteroid passing by Earth. I mean, that was supposedly supposed to pass by Earth, and it could either collide or near miss. So that seemed a little funny to me to begin with, and when I saw this, I just put one and two together. And now that I see this right here, it looks even funnier. If you take a look at the orbital structure of Nibiru throughout space, you could tell that this arch right here, this is how Planet Nibiru supposedly orbits throughout our galaxy. And they are relating this to a comet, and the Russians called Nibiru Planet X also as Comet Elenin. You could look that up if you want. Okay, guys. So tell me, what do you think about this? Am I a little crazy for assuming that they're lying to us?